My name is Jeremy Robertson, and I play Collision. I'm a Baltimore-based drummer for the bands Rosabella, Lockamy, and Carbonstone. I'm also the session drummer for the bands Old Foes, Seal May, and multiple others here in the Baltimore area. I choose Collision because they don't break. They don't feel bad in my hands when I play hard. They feel great in my hands when I'm trying to be delicate. They take me from the big rock shows all the way down to the church gigs. I love the 5 BRs for the extended reach. I like the feel of the extended reach. I like the weight at the fore end. I like that I can slam into the drum and get punch, or I can back off and just play nice and delicate. These sticks are awesome. I've yet to really break that many. I think one pair lasted me like 2 months of solid playing. And that's festival season, sessions, churches, you name it, I played with it, and I slammed these sticks and put them through the ringer, and they prove to be a force to reckon with. Collision has come out with a great product. I stand behind them 100%. I'm so happy to be a part of their family and to be a Collision artist. I look forward to working with them on some other sticks and on my signature stick. You should check them out. And without further ado, here is my producer Frank to tell you more about Collision.
So my name's Frank Marchand. I've been producing, mixing, and recording records for the better part of 30 years, thousands of albums. First time I've worked with Jeremy on a record, we're working on the upcoming Rosabella album, and he brought in these Collision 5 BRs, yes, BR drumsticks, and they're awesome. We made it through, a dozen songs before any of them broke. They sound great. I would recommend them to anybody who wants to try something different, and they just sound great, and hopefully he'll leave me a whole bunch. Hint, hint, hint. Cheers.
Now you're going to hear a song by my band Rosabella that we tracked with Frank Marchand. I just got back from his studio doing a drum playthrough video for him, and not only did I use Collision drumsticks for the actual recording, but I used them for the video as well. Here's the unreleased song, Breaking at the Bend by Rosabella featuring Collision drumsticks.
From